Are you tired of loud snoring ruining your sleep, or your partner's? Well, it's time to fix that forever with this adjustable anti-snoring mouthpiece. No more restless nights or waking up feeling exhausted. Whether you suffer from snoring or teeth grinding, also known as Bruxism, this smart device is a total game changer. Unlike basic mouthguards, this one is fully adjustable to fit your unique mouth shape, ensuring maximum comfort while you sleep. It works by gently positioning your jaw to keep your airway open, allowing for smooth, silent breathing all night long. Made from high-quality, medical-grade materials, it's safe, durable,